Hello, and welcome to another edition of Sporty's Product Pirate Videos. My name is Doug, and today we're going to look at the original flight gear bag. This bag is based upon a bag that Sporty's has sold for over 30 years. This bag is huge, and it's one of the largest in the flight gear line. We went ahead and loaded it up with gear to show you how it works. On this side of the bag, we have an oversized padded headset pocket. You see the A20 in there with lots of room. This will fit even the largest of headsets. On the outside, there's a slash pocket. Got a fuel tester in there that'll also fit a phone. This is an organizer pocket here on the front. You can see we got a logbook. There's room for charging cables, pens, pencils. There's a flashlight in there. There's a zipper pocket, as well as a clip here for a key ring. This front pocket here, we call that the embroidery window. You see we can, Sporty's custom embroidery department can go ahead and put your name, your N number, a silhouette of an airplane on there. And by having this nice little pocket, we can then hide the back of the embroidery, make it a nice clean look for you. On this side of the bag, we have a custom transceiver pocket. And this has an hourglass-shaped pocket flap. This way you can keep the antenna of the radio on when it's inside the pocket. If you want to stow the antenna, there's a custom sleeve on the inside of the pocket. You just tuck it into that sleeve, and now the antenna will stay safe and also prevent that from falling out. This pocket is a padded ADS-B receiver pocket. We have a Stratus in there right now. And then on the back of the bag, we have this through sleeve. This allows us to put this on rolling luggage through the handle. Next to it, there's also two slash pockets. So if you have anything longer that can protrude through the bottom. Right now we have a flashlight up there with a little clip. This bag also includes a padded carrying strap, and it has these nice handles with this padded wraparound. But the main reason you buy this bag is for the massive interior storage. You'll see we have these two big number 10 zippers that are connected. This flap opens up. You'll notice right away this flap has a sunglass pocket on it, or reading glasses pocket. The idea is you can keep your glasses in here and prevent them from rolling around with the rest of your gear. This also makes them much easier to find. The inside of the bag has lots of organization. So this wall has a padded iPad pocket on it. The side walls have padded pockets. So we have a battery brick in one and some cleaner in the other. And this other wall has this soft black felt material on it, just like our other bags. And we call that our gear mod wall. And what we've done is we've designed these gear mods of different sizes and different shapes. This is a small accessory gear mod. We make them for sunglasses, radios, pen pencil loops, all sorts of stuff. And you can really customize your bag as you see fit. But we didn't kind of stop there though. We went to the next step and put that same fabric on our knee boards. So you can take the gear mods that are in your bags and put them on our flight gear knee boards. And of course, the main compartment in here is really made for books. So if you're a student pilot and you have a ton of stuff to carry, this bag should accommodate all that stuff and even a change of clothes for a weekend cross-country trip.